Hi there, gorgeous, and a very happy money-saving March to you. In today's video, I am conducting a review and wear test for Colourpop's No Filter Concealer. This retails for $6. They have over 30 shades to choose from within this line. I'll be showing you everything up close from the initial application to how it wore after a 12-hour day. I'm doing two wear tests today, not only the concealer, but I'm also testing out a new foundation, and I have the Tarte face tape on today. So this review wear test will be published next week. The whole first week of April is nothing but testing out 5 brand new foundations. So that will be coming your way soon. No Filter Concealer from Colourpop looks like this. The shade that I picked up, let's see if I can, it's Fair 06. Great color range here to choose from, by the way. And this does have a doe foot applicator. I'm going to start with a small amount, and we'll see how we do, because I feel like if you apply too much concealer, you don't really need that much concealer, first of all. I mean, if you apply too much, not only can it wear terribly, but it can also start to look cakey under the eyes. So I'm of the mindset that a little bit goes a long way. And I'm applying that with my finger, as many of you know, my favorite way to do it, because this will help it to mold into the skin. And I'm also looking up so that it gets into the cracks and crevices underneath my eye. You never know when you order online what you're going to get, because sometimes it's a guessing game, but they're getting better. A lot of these drugstore companies are getting better about naming out their shades and telling you which undertones they suit, etc. So it's getting easier. And for reference, I have cool undertones. I'm usually fair with cool undertones. So those are the concealers and foundations I typically gravitate towards. And that coverage is simply beautiful. You can see from this eye to this eye, the level of coverage that I got with it. And you saw how much I used. Very, 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 very small amount. I don't feel like you need much of it because, like the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, this is a very pigmented concealer too. Same thing on this eye, same method, blending. That is just gorgeous. I'm loving it. To set my under eye area, I'm going in with the Airspun. I'm not going to tilt it this time. The Airspun Coty Translucent Powder, and I'm taking a large brush. This is the Sedona Lace EB13, and I'm going to press it under the eyes to set the concealer. I'm on my way to Target right now. We're going to spy on some drugstore makeup. It looks like there are a couple new products that I haven't seen before, so I'm interested to see what they have now. It's been so long since I've stepped foot inside a Target, by myself anyway, so I haven't really ever had the chance lately to just look, just be. So I'm going to go be. And can I just say too that I have been obsessed with Dunkin' Donuts sweet tea. I don't know why. This happened when I was pregnant with Gia. I had this craving, massive craving for sweet tea when I was pregnant with her, and it hasn't stopped. I found a shady spot. Woo! It may be a mile from the store, but it's okay. That's in Florida. It's things like this matter. See, I've heard of this brand, Black Radiance, and I think that they were the sister brand of Wet n Wild. Is that right? And I've never seen them in stores before, though. That's amazing. This palette. Ooh, look at that. That's new. This brand is called Haley's. Foundations for All. I've not seen this brand before either. Starlit Studio. Look at this. Glitter hair and body pouch. It's interesting. And then they have these glitter bombs down here. Look at these. Don't those look like the Fenty ones? That's what those remind me of. Aha, see, this is a line that I want to try with Corinne, but she's not here right now, and I don't really know what shade I should try and get for her. Maybe I should guess it. These are the number 7 Match Made Custom Blend Foundation Drops, and they're supposed to match you instantly, and definitely want to try that out with her. Aw, I never got to see the Makeup Geek display when it was in Target stores, and now all the stuff is on clearance. Aw. Is she not going to be in Target stores anymore? I haven't been up to date. I'm sorry. I really don't know what's going on here, but... So I didn't get much. I'm not even going to share what I got, really, because it's not much. I mean, it's a little bitty bag. I didn't really see anything that I wanted to try. Sorry. I just picked up some makeup remover because I'm out of that. I did get those number 7 custom matching foundation drops for Corinne and I, because she's going to be coming back over to my house soon, and she wants to do another video. So I said, well, let me find something for us to do. And I feel like this is a really great product for us to try. Wow. This concealer is straight up gorgeous. From the initial application to the end of the day results. And after wearing it for a straight 12 hours on the day that I was testing it out, this is what my under eye area looked like. No creasing, no cracking, no settling into fine lines. And my skin still looked like skin. I mean, what more could you ask for from a concealer? And at this price point, I'm gonna say it again, $6 for that. Can you believe that? And it doesn't feel drying under the eyes either. One thing I've noticed with some concealers is if you apply too much of the product, it can start to feel like your under eye is breaking apart. And this one did not do that, because I did apply too much on another day when I was testing it out. And even if I applied too much, it still felt very moisturized and hydrated underneath my eyes. I'm wearing it again today because this stuff is fabulous. It's going to be competing with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, which you know how much I love that stuff. So this is great, great stuff. Highly recommend. And I do feel like it's one that would work for those who have dry skin, combination skin, oily skin. It appears to be one that would work across the board. So let me know if you've tried it out. Feel free to share your experience with it or what your thoughts are on it based off of today's video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.